Hey everyone, my name is Gail and I'm your teacher this quarter for English 133 Introduction to Short Fiction. I'm super excited to be teaching this class this quarter. I haven't taught it for several years and it's one of my favorite classes to teach. So I'm looking forward to a really great time with all of you this quarter. Intro to Short Fiction is all about reading a bunch of short stories and talking about them, seeing what they have to teach us, seeing what we can learn from these different writers, and maybe in the process what we can learn about ourselves and each other. Something I'll tell you that I'm not going to lie about is you will not like all of the stories we read this quarter. You won't maybe connect with some of them. You might find some of them boring. But in any case, every story has something to offer us, and ultimately, I hope each of you finds at least a couple of stories that you do really connect with and that mean something to you individually and personally, that teach you maybe about your own life or about some other part of life, or that open up your understanding of something. So to me, that's the power of great literature, is what it has to offer us in terms of learning about ourselves and others and the world around us. I'm trying a few new things this quarter, and I don't know if they'll work, so we might need to be flexible and make some changes as we go on. The way I teach is I really like to have students be involved in the process. So if something isn't working, if we can change it up to make it work better, I'm all ears. I really want to hear your ideas, and I hope you'll be in contact with me and provide me with feedback as we go along. So this course can really be the best it can be for everybody taking it. All right, I really look forward to working with all of you this quarter. Thanks for being here, and let's get started.